This is red snapper, which is considered like queen of the fish in West Caribbean and Mediterranean people. I clean the fish scale, got clean, wash with lemon juice. Then I halve them. Then I put a little slit in each side because I'm going to put salt and black pepper in, which is what I'm about to do now. This preparation about washing, cleaning, and salting and peppering is best done the evening before, so that the fish can absorb the salt and pepper. Make it more flavorful, our style.
Okay.
And you got to pat the fish dry before you put it in the oil. One, for it not to splatter on the other one, so that it does not stick if you're not using a non-stick pan. And we fry it until it's golden brown on one side, on each side. When that's done, you drain it on a paper towel, and then you make the dressing after, which I'll describe later on. We set the setting on high, and pour the oil in. Angela, have a look so you can have an idea.
It's about a half a cup. Looks like a cup. Cup and a half.
I think that's a generous amount for the three fish. And while it's heating, we get our paper towel to dry the fish. When I was growing up in Jamaica, my mom had a wire rack that she'd put the fish on and place it outside, high above where the cat can get at it, so that it get dry. So that would eliminate this process that I'm doing now. You can test for the heat of, if the oil is ready. And that's ready. That's hot enough. Usually you put your hand over and you can feel that it's hot. Step back. Just brush because you're going to get a bit of popping. Okay, I'm going to flip them now. Yeah. And you can tell you're ready for flipping because they're moving around and the time they're not stuck. And they're done 5 minutes each side. This is not 5 minutes for that side. So, 5 minutes each side, and now it's time for to drain them on the paper towel.